What's up, my awesome friends? All right, by the end, you'll be able to do this. We're going to do it like in small chunks, connect the dots in like a 5-part series. You got to watch them all. All right, here we go. All right, so what did I do there? And you'll love playing like this. I played intervals. I played a C, F, and G chord, but I didn't play it your traditional way, and I built it off of the major scale, which is the main subject of this video, all right? So if you're new to the channel, we'd love to keep you around. Hopefully this will help you. I promise it will if you stick with it. All right, so here is the C major scale over my shoulder, okay? And I'm playing it like this. Notes in the C major scale, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, okay? Now I'm on the 3rd fret. Here's the close-up. On the A. Here's the pattern with my fingers. My fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll always call them that. So 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4. The beautiful thing about that pattern is no matter where you move it, if you play that pattern, you're playing a major scale. Just depends what note you start on. Okay, so again, the end goal is to play these intervals and make your song sound amazing. It's like an intro, just a different way of playing. You're gonna dig it too, all right? I promise. So, what we're always gonna do is we're gonna kind of anchor off of the octave. Octave means C to C, right? We always learn the octaves. They sound amazing on every kind of music. They'll never get old, okay? So, C is kind of like the anchor point. If you noticed, I was going like this. So watch again, I was doing C, I'm anchoring off the C. And just get this going. I am using my fingers, so if you haven't played with your fingers yet, try it. See that? Look, Mom. So I was going like this. So those are all intervals, all right? Now, I'm going to give you the theory behind it, which you're going to learn a lot of theory, and don't go to theory. I promise you'll dig it if you can actually apply it to the playing. It's boring when you just hear about theory and you're like, okay, what did he just talk about? I don't know. And then you don't understand how to apply it, all right? Now, one more piece of theory so I can make you all throw up. No, just kidding. All right, so formula. There's a formula for building a major scale. Here it is. Come on, focus. Whole, whole, half. Whole, 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 half. All right, how do we apply that? So, if you wanted to play all the way up on one string, if you knew that formula burned in your brain, you could go like this. C, whole step means 2 frets up. C to D, okay? Another whole step, D to E, half step, E to F, whole step, F to G, G to A is a whole step, A to B is a whole step, and C, blah, blah, blah. Okay, totally cool. I just had to show you that because it's part of it, all right? So everything comes from the major scale. We build chords off of it. You're going to play melodies out of it. You've heard it a million times before you even heard the term major scale, okay? So again, here's the chart over my shoulder one more time, okay? And the end game is to learn how to do this, okay? Okay, so we're doing C, F, and G, but using intervals, and I'm basing it all off the C major scale. I have to give this to you in tiny chunks, otherwise your brain will explode, and that will not be good. All right, so the next video, which is going to pop up here in just a minute, is going to be C to E. So you hear that? You can play them at the same time. You can go back and forth, like Pong. Okay? So we're going to do that. I could have shown you all these intervals in just one video. It would have been way too long, and you never would have watched it till the end anyways. All right, so if you want to check out some of my links in the description below, that's how you support the channel, growing fast. We have an amazing community. If you're new, stick around. If you're not new, we love you. All right, so C major scale. Next video, C to E. It's called a major third if you want the fancy terminology, all right? So C to E is a major third. So here's that video over here. Go check that out. We're going to keep doing this. Then we're going to do a perfect fourth. We're going to do a major second, a perfect fifth. And we're going to keep on going. And by the end, you're going to be a shredder, okay? So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a great night. Later.